And today we have another project, activity, whatever you want to call it. First, what you're gonna do is you have you have to have the supplies. You're gonna have 2 napkins, tape, and a rock. Let's get straight to it. So first step, put this to the side. Gonna have the rock, put it right about where both are the same. So you're gonna fold it to the side. And you're gonna fold it up and keep doing that same pattern. And then when you get to the end, you should have this. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna tape it first. You're gonna go like this. Alright, you're gonna tape it like that. Perfect. And then you're gonna get your other paper and put it right in the middle. You can either put it like this to have a pointy tip. That sounds wrong. Or you could put it like this so it could be flat. I'm doing it like this. First, you're gonna fold one side and fold the other, and you should have it like this. What you're gonna do is just go like this. Make sure everything's up. Then you're gonna have a long piece of tape. Gonna wrap it around. Make sure it's very tight. So after you're done with that, you should have birdie thingy majiggy whatever. Let's go test it out. Let's test it out. Woohoo! Doesn't look like it flies, but here, hold it. Ready, set, go! Damn it. Fail. It flies. It doesn't look like that on camera, but it flies. Where'd it go? Alright, we got to end this video right here. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.